What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back again with another video. And I know the charts may look a little different today. We're not trading gold. Yes, we're gonna be talking about NAS100. All right, and it honestly has been nothing but great to trade. It's very respectable. It's been, honestly, it's too good to be true, to be honest. Like how respectable it respects my breaks of my triangles and my trend lines and my wedges and my flag patterns. So it's been nothing but good. And shout out to my boy Ludell. He told me to also get on SPX 500. So there's gonna be some content coming out on that soon. I don't know, guys. I might just be an index trader now. I don't know. I have not been back on gold. I've been loving this. I see the potential with Nas. I see a new PR getting broken soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm thinking about really putting some good money in my live and do a good flip for you guys. All right, but for future videos, guys, you guys are gonna get a video today, tomorrow, the next day, and you're gonna get a live Saturday and Sunday. So back to back videos. Y'all gonna be hearing my voice every day for the rest of the week. So you guys gotta like the like button for me, man. You gotta give me a like for that. Y'all gonna be hearing me for the rest of the week of just straight content. All right, guys. So let me know, man, how you guys are gonna like the Nas content. We are gonna get into some Forex pairs very soon, guys. I just been focusing on Nas because, man, they got so much potential. So I'm gonna be going through this $500 to $3,000 and a $300 to $1,000 flip. So it's gonna be 2 trades in 1 video. All right, guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed for the amazing content. We're gonna be going live soon. If you're an OG, you already know what to do. Like up to video for me. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and roll the intro, get straight into the video. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we're back on the charts here. So for me, you guys know how I like to do it. I like to go to the higher time frames and I like to mark up my zones. For here, this is a daily trend line right here. So daily zone. I know it looks a little bit awkward, you know, the trend line, but this is a valid trend line. We've been going into an uptrend and we came right back to the zone on the daily. So I was very bullish. So I went down to the 4-hour and I saw that we had this double bottom and we kept going up to the upside. We had this resistance here at a double top and we had this engulfing right here. So this is a very good confirmation for bullish momentum. So that's what I was looking for on the higher time frames. Once I confirmed all that, I went back down to the lower time frames and I've been sticking. Once I got my major zones, I've honestly just been sticking to the 5-minute and the 1-minute to manage my trade, right? So we have marked up this symmetrical triangle here, beautiful triangle, and it respects it so well. So I drew out my zones. Like you guys know, I like to draw out my trend lines in zones because price never reacts to a straight line. So this is just my method. If you want to use it, that's up to you. All right. So this is where I was looking at it and I was actually getting into a buy. Now, this was before even I think the London session. I don't even think we were in session. Let me go ahead and pull up my indicator. Yeah, this was like right at the end of the New York session. So I wasn't expecting Nas to go anywhere. Now, what I've noticed about Nas is that sessions don't matter. It can move anytime it wants. So that's what I like. It's like a 24-hour trade. Like I can open up Nas and I can look for a setup and get in. Like I don't have to wait for a certain session or a certain time to trade it. So boom. This was, you guys know how I like to trade. I like to trade the breakout of the pattern, and then this is where we would have got our perfect entry. This was a nice entry. This was a break of this symmetrical triangle plus the cross of the 100 SMA. So this is beautiful entry. But now I didn't enter at this point because you guys know, I'm so used to trading gold that I wait for sessions. But I saw NAS pick up like this and I was like, whoa. I was like, okay, maybe I can look for a setup. So I waited for another opportunity for where I waited for NAS to start, start range, see if it can show me some signs of a pattern. So first I had this drawn out here. Now this is when I actually decided to get into the trade. So I had this rising flag pattern right here. Boom. And I'm still bullish because, we're definitely bullish right now at that daily support. So let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, so that was the pattern right here. So I'm just waiting for that confirmation to get back into this continuation. I'm waiting. Okay, it's starting to resist. I'm thinking, okay, so NAS is not really gonna do nothing. Maybe not. Maybe till tomorrow. Then boom, we had this big movement right here, and I got in immediately. I was like, you know what? Forget this session. This is an index. This doesn't follow the rules of gold. I'm getting in. It looks good. And then I got my my extension the same way. I'm trading it the same way as gold and hitting TP up here somewhere. That's where it's gonna be. But of course, this is gonna be adjusted because NAS can definitely. When I've been trading it, it has been just shooting past my TP, guys. So honestly, I've been trailing stop loss with my 30 EMA. As you guys can see, NAS was it was gone. So I went to the 1 minute and I was like, okay, I'm gonna scale in aggressively. So it passed my my TP. So I moved my my stop loss here, and I'm just waiting for another moment to get in. So I see that we are ranging here, a beautiful range here, right? Okay, I could have entered here. I could have right here. Where did I enter? Oh, right here. This engulfing, because you guys know I like to wait for that retest here and get in again. And then now I'm waiting for it to break this range. Boom, and I got in again. Another entry, and I'm just scaling in another entry. And it's too good to be true, because usually it will like retest my 30 EMA. It's not even shooting up like this, but it was just going up, 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 up. And I'm just adding positions, and it's going all the way up. And I'm trailing stop loss, as you guys see on the screen recording. I'm trailing stop loss, and it actually, my 30 EMA actually got me out at the right time, right here. So it literally got me out right at the peak. And that was a beautiful setup here for so that was the $500 to $3,000. Now I'm gonna show you guys, this is gonna be the next day, the 300 to 1K. All right, so once I got that in, that was like in the middle of the night that I was doing that. I went to sleep, and then I woke up and NAS was in another symmetrical triangle, right? So I was like, ooh, so we can get into some more trades. And then let me see the session. Yep, it was the same time getting out of that New York session. So I'm like, okay, all right, we're back. Sorry guys, my monitor was acting weird on the screen recording, but we're here. We're on the symmetrical triangle again, and I'm just waiting for a breakout. All right. Oh, and this is perfect. This is perfect because you guys were asking me about false breakouts. Now, when you see a break on whatever time frame you are on, go one time frame higher. Okay. So on the 1 minute, if you're watching this on the 1 minute and you saw a break here, if you want to confirm it, go to the 5 minute, and you guys see this engulfing. So this is a good indication that this is a false breakout and you want to get out the trade, because it's actually reacting to some sort of zone here. And that resulted into a false breakout. All right. So if you're on the 5 minute and you wanted to enter the break here, you would have said, okay, let me go to the 15 minute to make sure. On the 15 minute, you would have saw that it actually didn't break. It's still just is just ranging with this engulfing. So you would have avoided that false breakout. So if you want to, use that technique to avoid false breakouts, you can do that. So we're here. I'm just waiting for the break of the triangle on the 1 minute. I wanted to see how well I can get in on the 1 minute. And so I'm waiting for that initial break. There it is. So I entered the trade here. And let me go to the 5 minutes so I can get my my TPs. So we're here. All right. And TP somewhere around up here. Close to that 4 hour. This is 4 hour resistance here. So I was feeling pretty good about hitting my TP there. All right. And let's go back down to the 1 minute so we can start scaling into the trade. So it's ranging. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for an opportunity to scale in. I wanted it to get close to this zone here because I knew that could act as resistance. All right. Boom. So I wanted to wait for an engulfing right here. Got into another position there. And then got into another position here. The break of that resistance. And then we're just continuing. Boom. Got into another trade here. No, I didn't get to another trade. I got out the trade. Sorry, guys. I got out the trade here. Oh, what the heck am I doing? I got out the trade here. This is where I got out the trade, right at that resistance level. And this was a smaller trade because this was a smaller count. It was $300 count. But those lot sizes on NAS are crazy. Like, it's crazy how a 0.01, 0.02 can just build off of NAS. It's crazy. So this is my first week trading NAS, and then this will be my first week because I started trading last week on Thursday. So it's only been a week since I've been trading NAS. And yeah, these are the results. Simple price action that I use for gold. I applied literally every single thing that I know on NAS, and it works perfectly. So because I know a lot of you guys were asking me, does my strategy work on Forex? Does it work on any other currency? Does it work on index? Does it work on any other market, crypto, Bitcoin? You guys can use this anywhere. This is price action. And it works everywhere. So this is the results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said before, we're going back to back with videos. I got a video coming tomorrow. I'm dropping the day trading strategy. Friday, I'm dropping the indicator strategy. Saturday and Sunday, I'm going live. So back-to-back videos. Like I said, make sure you guys like the video for me, man. I really appreciate every single one of y'all for tuning in with your boy. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers. So I'm really excited about that. We're going to talk more on the live Saturday and Sunday. And I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next video tomorrow on the day trading strategy for my people that can't look at the charts all day. All right, guys. So it was your boy NTG. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. And I'm out. Peace.